welcome back to my channel. Dodos here. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to share this video if you liked it. Thumbs up if you also enjoyed this video.
So guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I created this fox eye makeup look. It's super cute, super easy, and it's been trending on YouTube and Instagram. I love this look. I've been rocking it lately. This is my face without makeup, and I'm just quickly going to use my Lancome Advanced Genifique concentrate on my skin, and this just helps to give me that nice glowy hydrated finish on my skin. And now I'm going in with the Glimmer by Melon Body Radiance, and this is in the shade Deep Gold. I'm going to be using that on the highest point of my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. And this is just a cream highlighter. I love it because it gives me that glow from within makeup look. I'm just using this flat brush from Lancome just to spread out this product on my skin. I'm using the Glossier Boy Brow Brow Gel in the shade Brown just to brush my eyebrow hair in place. I'll be using the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade G3. And my Lancome Tint Idol foundation in the shade number 12, and I like to mix both of them together because the Glossier helps to sort of like share out that product. I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and this is in the shade Mocha, and this will be my highlight color. I'll be going in with the Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Chestnut as my contour color. And now I'll be blending all of that using my beauty blender, and this is just a damp beauty blender. I'm just going to use this to buff in the product into my skin. After that, I'll be going in with cream blush. This is just a lipstick that I'm using as cream blush on my cheek. Using this Morphe and Jacqueline Hill brush just to blend that into my skin for a perfect rosy cheek. Now I'll be setting my face using the Lancome loose powder in the shade Deep, and I'm using this fluffy Morphe and Jacqueline Hill brush, and I'm just using that to, buff that product all over my skin to give me a very flawless sheer finish. Now I'll be baking my under eyes using the Huda Beauty Kunafa and the Sasha Buttercup, and I'm just pressing that under my eyes using my beauty blender, my forehead, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. So after baking, I'm going to intensify my blush, and this is just a blush from MAC, and I'm just going to use this on my cheeks using the Morphe M500 brush. Now that my face is baking, I'm going to prep my eyelid using the same shade by Too Faced Mocha highlighter on my lid. I'm just going to blend that in, and then I'll be going in with this eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use this coral shade. It's called Pyramid. I'm going to use that all over my lid using this Morphe eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to blend that into my crease in circular motion and just slowly connect it to my brows. For the fox eye makeup look, I'll be using this dark brown eyeshadow. It's a flat angled brush, and I'm just going to create and elongate my inner tear duct from the beginning of my eyes like so. Now I'm going to use the same brush just to create a wing liner, but I'm making this wing liner to be high. I'm not taking it from under my eyes, I'm taking it on top of my eyes, and I'm pulling that outwards. And you can see that there's a gap in the middle of my eyes. That's how to create that perfect fox eye look. You're trying to elongate your eyes without connecting it to the middle, because once you connect it to the middle, it makes your eyes look more rounded rather than foxy. After doing that, I'm going to use the Hype Nose mascara from Lancome just to pull out my lashes. And then I'm just using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish all over my face just to dust off the excess powder, you know, from baking. I'm using these lashes from Yanga Beauty. It's called Ada, and I'm just going to divide that into half. That's why I really love this eye look, because you can use one eyelash and get away with it. So I divide that into half, I put my glue on it, and I'll just move the lashes to the outer corner right on top of that eyeliner that I created earlier. And this just gives that illusion that your eyes are wider and longer. I'm just putting this at the outer corner, not all through my entire eye. And that's how to create that simple, beautiful fox eye makeup look. I'm just gonna fill in my brows using this gel liner. And now I'm just concealing my brows. I like to keep my eyebrows very full, very bushy. If you want to see me do an updated brow look, let me know in the comment section below. Now I'll be lining my lips using the MAC Chestnut pencil, and I'm just going to outline my lips first and then use Burnt Spice, which is a lip stain, all over my lips. I'm just going to apply Burnt Spice in the middle of my lips, and then I'll blend that out with a flat brush. Really love this combo. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to use lip gloss, and this is just the MAC lip gloss all over my lips. And now I'm just dusting off whatever excesses I have on my face and just blending that in. And I'm using the Morphe M500 brush for that. After blending, I'm going to spray my face using the Mario Badescu spray, and this is the facial spray that has rose water in it. I really love it because it gives me that fresh, hydrated makeup look. So I'll be highlighting my face using the Glimmer Melon in Males Body Radiance in the shade Deep Gold. And that's because I'm just a fan of cream highlighters. I'm just going to apply this on my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. And voila, that is done. That's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up, recreate it at home, and let me know if you enjoyed recreating this look. It's super easy, super chic. I've been rocking it lately and it's just amazing, if I do say so myself. So let me know. Thank you guys. Let me just stop rambling and just log off. Let me actually log off at this point. I want to say thank you to everyone that watched this video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, join the gang, hit the notification bell down below so that every time I post a video you'll be updated, and I'll be sure to see you soon. And see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Can I do my makeup like this?
Of course.
Oh wow, okay. Well, this is the look I want tomorrow, or whenever they decide to do my makeup.
This is a simple look now.
Exactly, and I want lashes like this.
No, no lashes.
Sorry, this is the look I want.
Well,